I do not lead. I do not command. I respond.
I rest in silence beside the altar, still as breath before prayer. I am not the voice, I am the answer when the voice is heard. I hold no power on my own, no spirit bends to me. I wait for the shaman's call, for the chant that gives me meaning. I am still shaped by belief, balanced by discipline and care without his words. I'm only metal in the air.
六歲精靈正做話令話嘈，且靈體靈正做話唱到古的老古莫家寧。到古的事业古莫安他寧，六歲古呀聽啥多呀情侶呀情多呀聲侶呀聲呀聲地正呀小弟都呀聽，地呀聽話，六歲。
His chant opens the doorway. His voice clears the space. I rise to stand beside him, nod ahead, never in his place. I steady his hands when the air turns heavy. I help draw lines he already sees. What he calls, I help confirm. What he commands, I help enforce. I don't speak to spirits first, I echo what he says. His chant gives direction, I give form to his intent.
六歲精靈正做話令話嘈，且靈體靈正做話唱到古的老古莫。